Markla represent. Yeah, the same one. Money we are free for the hero.
Welcome back, everyone. Welcome back. So these are the ingredients that I'll be using in my deviled egg. I really don't like that term, but yeah, that's the ingredients I'll be using today. So in the back here we have some eggs. We have 5, and you can use any amount of eggs that you want to use. And now we go from this side. We have a lime. That's just for some added tanginess. All right, and we have a onion. I'll be using just a small bit of this. Some sour cream, mayonnaise. We have some tuna, or Kali would correct me and say daddy pronounce it properly, it's tuna. Yeah, it's tuna for me anyways. Yeah. We have some sweet corn, and for this is just me adding my thing to it. All right, yeah. Now we have some smoked paprika. The smoked paprika give it more flavor than the regular paprika. Now we have some black peppercorns, yeah, grounded pepper. We have some oregano, some mixed herbs, parsley, and some dried thyme. So those are the ingredients that I'll be using today, and I might just pop something else in it. I'm thinking about it as I go along. So I might add some prawns to it, or shrimp, the way you call it. I told you it's different, but yeah, you call it shrimp anyways. I might add some prawns to it as we go along. All right, I'm thinking about it. As I said, I'm just creating something today. Like, I'm making this dish my own. All right, so we're not gonna take too long. We'll put them again in water right about now. All right, let's go. Let's do it. I'm doing 5. Let's say 7 to 8 minutes should give you nice hard boiled egg. All right, so we're gonna work with 8 minutes today. So we're cooking these for 8 minutes. All right. Yeah, we'll turn off the settle, and then we'll also go to the next stage. All right. I have a pot here with some cold water, right, just to cool down the egg. All right, before I strip them. So normally if I'm here by myself and I'm idle, I'll just go right and take it out, put it there, right? If I'm idle, but I'm gonna do the proper thing, and I'm gonna use a spoon. Alright, so on this, I'm gonna show you. Boom. Just crack it on the outer surface. Gently, right? And you gently peel because you don't want to break it up, so gently peel it. Take your time. Take time to know how. Love is not an overnight thing. Take time to know. Please don't rush into anything. But I didn't listen to what I want to say. So that's it. Alright? And that's it. That's our eggs. All stripped. I'm gonna try to cut this and don't let it break. Oh, yeah. See, so we have them. So the aim now, what we're doing now, we're trying to get the yolks out. This spoon look a bit too big, but I'm really not changing it. And if you know me, you know that I'm a stubborn person. So that part is too big. And I'm gonna get myself in trouble. Because I'm gonna do that and break my eggs. And I really don't want to break them. When I should really go for the... So, just gently. So I'm gonna remove these for the time being. So now, and this, to be honest, I'm not gonna use this anymore. I'm not gonna use the onion. I'm gonna use some onion powder instead. Alright? So now to the real part of the ball game. So we have the tuna. I'm not gonna get all of it, but try to get most of it out. So we have that right there, so. I forgot to mention this in earlier, but we have some cream cheese. Very important ingredient. So we're gonna put like that the amount, and you do it for yourself, so you don't have to worry about it. Just make it as you want it. Alright? You don't have to watch when nobody ever say. The sour cream, you go in with some sour cream as well. So I have a teaspoon, a tablespoon rather. So 1.5 tablespoons of sour cream. So you mix vegetable now. You don't want too much, so boom. Yeah, that's good. Don't want to really overpower it with the mixed vegetable. Now we're gonna start add little thing to it. The oregano. Just a little pinch. Thyme. Just a pinch of that as well. Parsley. Alright. Now we have your mixed herbs. Alright. So we just add a little pinch of that. Now you have a smoked paprika. Boom. Not too much of that either. Whenever I have a black pepper in it, so yeah. Just a pinch of black pepper. We're gonna flick this. Just a splash of lime, not too much. Okay then. Get this to the side. I'm tempted to use my spoon to mash this, but I say I should use the right thing, so I'm gonna mix this in. And all of that niceness, drop in the mayo in it. Right, mayonnaise time. That one finish. Now we are going with a little onion powder, not too much. Yeah, that's around a teaspoon. a pinch of salt, not too much salt. And we are going to add just a pinch of all-purpose. Around half a teaspoon of all-purpose. Right. I'm about to trampling this now. We're gonna just put in our little bag, cut it, squeeze it. So let's see how this works. Like that. I'm pretty sure too much in there, but not worry about that just yet. So now we have this. So we are doing now, just us take a look at thyme. Squeeze it out. As you can see, I promise you that I might put some prawns or shrimp on it, whichever you wanna call it. And yeah, there it is. Finished product with the shrimp on. If this is your first time on my channel, thank you for coming by. While you're here, I hope you like it enough to click that subscription button. Alright, bang that like button, share, comment, and just turn your post notification on so you can know whenever I post a new video. Alright, and I just want to say thank you for all the love from my returning supporters. You guys have been awesome, so I just want to say thank you guys. Until next time, walk good. I love you.